Hey guys, Andrea Anderson here from Your Marketing Machines and Advancing Women in Business. This is just a very quick shout out to say thank you so much for bringing your energy and bringing your time into our one-day workshop. Thank you very much also to Yep, as well as to Fire Station 101. So I just want to give you just a few next steps for you to be able to take advantage of what you learned. More importantly, how to go about implementing what you learned into your business. We would have first and foremost sent you an email regarding the webinars. So if you haven't booked in for those webinars, please do so. They are absolutely imperative for you. More importantly, what we're doing with the webinars is we're actually capping the number of people in those webinars because we want to make it a more intimate conversation between myself and the co-host, as well as with you, and we want the opportunity to be able to answer your questions. So if you can imagine that we are deep diving even more so from what you did yesterday or what you did with Yep, and we're taking it into a more detailed approach for the benefit of your business. So when you do see those come through to you, please do sign up straight away, because as I said, we are going to be capping those so that we can have that conversation with you. Number two, congratulations to all the winners, and thank you for also participating, all of you, and being a part of the competition that we were running yesterday. Over the next couple of days, we will be doing e-intros between yourself and the business consultant, who will be in touch with you and also be taking care of moving through with whatever the audit is that you won. So that's very exciting, and please, these guys are experts. This is what they do on a daily basis, so I can only but recommend that their time is going to be incredibly valuable, as is their knowledge. Now, number three, the third thing we actually talked about yesterday was taking advantage of the ASBAS program. And I was really fortunate to have some of my team there. So thank you very much to Amanda Lowry, Andrea Anderson, Deb Perkins, Andrea Anderson, that's me! Andrea McDonald, as well as Deb Perkins and Kerry Saverin, and also a special shout out to Mike Hillsden. So if you wish to take advantage of the ASBAS program and get more specific information around your business, then definitely I recommend down below, you'll see the link to be able to book that one-on-one session with either or any of the advisors there. This is going to be really important for you too, by the way, team, because it's a great opportunity for you to take advantage in really, securing down your marketing strategy and ensure that you are actually taking your business forward in the most efficient way possible. Now, other than that, over the next few months, you'll just be receiving information from me, just things that you can take advantage of, events, hints, tips, and topics. But look, once again, thank you so much for being a part of the special day with myself and with Izzy. Say hi, Izzy. Hi. And look, we are absolutely looking forward to hearing from you, looking forward to how we can be a part of your business growth and success. And look, here's hoping that our paths cross soon in the very near future. So this is Andrea Anderson from Your Marketing Machines and Advancing Women in Business signing off. Take care. God bless. We'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.